Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, lived a young man named Lucas. He was bright, ambitious, and always dreamed of becoming wealthy. Since childhood, he had been taught that money was the key to a successful, happy life. It would give him the freedom to travel, indulge in luxury, and solve any problem that came his way. One day, after years of hard work and perseverance, Lucas struck a gold. He inherited a vast fortune from a distant relative, a wealthy entrepreneur who had passed away. Lucas could not believe his luck. All those dreams had about wealth were now within reach. At first, everything seemed perfect. He bought a mansion with a breathtaking view of the ocean, filled it with the finest furniture, and purchased the latest cars. He went on extravagant vacations to exotic places, dining at the most exclusive restaurants with his newfound wealth. He surrounded himself with the most talented chefs, personal trainers, and artists. However, as the days passed, Lucas began to notice something strange. Despite all his riches, he felt growing emptiness within himself. His friends who once admired him seemed distant. They were not as genuine as they used to be, perhaps jealous of his wealth or drawn to his status rather than his true personality. Lucas soon realized that while his money could buy him material pleasure, it could not fill the void in his heart. He longed for the real connections, meaningful relationships, and the simple joys of life. Money had brought him comfort, but it had not brought him the peace or fulfillment he had imagined. One day, as Lucas sat on the balcony of his mansion, watching the sun set over the ocean, an elderly woman from the town came to visit him. She was known for her wisdom and kind spirit. She looked at him and said, "Lucas, I see you have acquired great wealth, but tell me, are you truly happy?" Lucas sighed, feeling the weight of his thoughts. "I thought I would be, but I am not sure. It seems like everything I have bought has only created more distance between me and the things." The woman smiled gently. Money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy joy. True happiness comes from love, from kindness, and from sharing moments with others. The best things in life are free. A hug, the laughter of a child, the warmth of a friend. Those are the treasures that no amount of money can buy. Lucas took her words to heart. Over time, he began to shift his focus from accumulating wealth to nurturing the relationships that truly mattered. He volunteered at the local community center, spent time with old friends, and made new ones by giving of himself without expecting anything in return. Years later, Lucas found himself sitting in the same mansion, but this time he felt content. The luxury remained, but it no longer consumed him. He had learned that while money could make life easier, it was love, kindness, and community that made life worldly. And so Lucas discovered that money, while useful, does not buy happiness. True happiness comes from within and from the connection we share with others.